My name is Frances Sheets. I work for IMU Bowling and Billiards as the Assistant Administrative Manager, and I also work as a leader in training and adventure specialist for outdoor adventures. I'm going into my senior year now, but when I was going into the fall of my junior year, I took a kayaking course with Outdoor Adventures, and I was told by one of the leaders on that course that there was a leadership class you could take. So I took that and I applied to be a leader at OA. I think the union is a really good place to work. There's a very close-knit vibe and community, especially in the bowling alley where I work, and both Bowling and Billiards and IU Outdoor Adventures were sort of there to remind me why I enjoy IU, why I love being a college student, and helped me sort of reinvigorate myself as a student, I guess, through my continued and increased involvement with Bowling and Billiards and OA. I was really able to get back to the heart of why I like going to college and kind of reestablish a really strong community for myself.